Hey guys, so welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless. So since I've made a couple of videos on Visible Wireless, I've gotten a lot of requests to do more. So here's some more, guys. If you guys don't know who Visible Wireless is, they're basically under Verizon. They use Verizon's towers, and Verizon actually supports them and everything, kind of like Cricket with AT&T. So let's get into it, guys, and read some good promotions that we have for Labor Day. Of course, Labor Day is coming up in a couple of days. It says there's actually a countdown. Well, at least this promotion will end in about 5 days and 7 hours. So let's get into it, guys, and see what this promotion is about. Like I said, remember, Visible Wireless is using Verizon's towers, and it's under their umbrella. As well as it's a prepaid brand. That's why I kind of review them or go over them, since I'm trying to do a lot more prepaid carriers and kind of, differentiate. So let's just go over what Visible has to offer. As you can see, check out everything our plan has to offer, like unlimited data, messaging, and minutes, powered by Verizon, 5G included. So they do have 5G included for the same price. Actually, they only have one price, really, so we'll get to that. Like I said, I'm just go over what they are, what they do, and then we'll go with the promotion. Says, and get it at as little as $25 a month. I want to save more. Every time you bring a friend, you both get a month of service for $5. So if I refer you guys, I'm going to start putting my link in the description below. If you want to use that link, you can, and it'll give you $5. It costs you only $5 for 1 month of service, and same thing for me. So you can either bring your own phone, you can buy one, you can also finance them through Affirm as well, so you can check that out. But like I said, the main key points of this is unlimited everything, no hidden fees. It's always a flat rate plus taxes. So it says get the unlimited data, messaging, and minutes you love without hidden fees. Raising your cost. Calling to Canada and Mexico is included, guys. Access international calling to specific countries at no additional cost. Another cool thing is the hotspot. It says all the hotspot usage you can handle, and there's no data limit on your hotspot usage. So feel free to stream wherever you are. And of course, 24/7 live chat. They don't really have a number you can call, but they do have live chat, and everybody really likes the live chat. There's also another thing called Party Pay. Guys, for $25 a month, you have to have at least 4 people in a party, and it doesn't even have to be all in your family. Let's say me, you, your cousin, someone else, and someone else in the world. As long as it's 4 people, you just use a link. It has to be at least 4 people or more, and you get it for $25 a month instead of $40. So, like I said, this service is $40 a month for everything I talked. Unlimited talk, text, and talk on Verizon's network, 5G included, unlimited for $40. And then if you have at least 4 people, it's $25. You can also bring a friend for only $5. And now they actually do Apple Watches as well, which is pretty cool. So if you have a cellular Apple Watch, it will work. So, and of course, like it says, it uses Verizon's coverage and all that good stuff. So that's the gist of it. So now let's go ahead and talk about this amazing promotion, guys. 2 months of wireless with unlimited data for just $15 a month, guys. $15 a month. That's pretty cool. It says summer's ending, but the savings aren't. Sign up by August 7, 2021, using code Labor Day, and get 2 months of unlimited data, messaging, and minutes, powered by Verizon for only $15 a month, guys. Also, there isn't an annual contract because this is prepaid. You can cancel anytime. So that's pretty sweet. Let's say you can bring your phone or buy a new one. Here, you might be asking, wow, that sounds cool, but how does it work? Here we go. Here's how to get 2 months of Visible for $15 a month. There's 4 steps, of course. The first step is bring your own phone or get a new phone. Then create an account through the app on your visible.com. Or on visible.com. There's no wrong way to join. Second, use code Labor Day in your chart. Sorry, I said chart. I'm kind of sleepy. I just got off work. So it says use code Labor Day in your cart. After you set up your account, you'll be able to enter promo code Labor Day into your cart before your checkout. Third, activate your service. We'll either overnight you a free SIM card, which they do. I have like 3 laying around, or you can sign up with eSIM. So if your phone does support eSIM, you can do it. That's fast and the fastest way. If not, I'm a classic guy, so I like SIM cards. If you have a compatible device, of course, that supports eSIM. Once you've got your SIM sorted, go ahead and activate your Visible service. And the final step is keep the savings going. After your first 2 months of service for just $15 each, your service cost will increase to $4 a month, which is the standard rate unless you have the party pay, which I was talking about, 4 people in a party. And then of course you can also still do bring a friend or refer a friend for only $5 a month. So after it's $15 for 2 months, so it's $15. After that, it's going to be $40 a month, which is still really cheap, guys, for Verizon's coverage and basically unlimited everything, including hotspot. Or if you have 4 people or more in a party, that's $25 a month, which I think is a phenomenal deal. So here's of course some different phones and stuff that you can use with like eSIM, of course, like the iPhones and all that stuff. But here's all the phones that they really have, guys. They have quite a bit. Let's go to shop phones. So you can see, like I said, they do update their phone list as well, and they have a couple other promotions. But iPhone 12s, of course, they do have iPhone 12s as low as $34 a month with a firm. So it's pretty cool. There's iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, Motorola Edge, the Blade Z1. If you guys know, if you follow the channel, I have this phone, and I like it. I use it every day. I still have service on it. There's the Apple iPhone SE, the Moto 1 5G, the S21, the Prime, the A7, or the A7, the G Power. So just some phones there that you guys can see. They do have pre-owned, so they have a big range from expensive to high. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Is this carrier you guys are thinking about? Me, usually when I travel, I do use Visible. They have gotten a lot better, especially I would say if you have a 5G phone, it's a lot faster than if you don't, just because you're not prioritized in the network since you basically got prepaid. So overall, I think it's a good deal. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, if you want me to make more videos on Visible Wireless and the promotion, like I said, this promotion ends in about 5 days and 7 hours. So just know that you have to remember Labor Day to get this deal at checkout. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, guys, please comment, rate, subscribe, share it. Use the links in the description below for a lot more content and ways to support the channel, like through Honey. Honey's a free web browser extension that'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites, anything Amazon, Walmart, Visible, Boost Mobile. Join today by using the link at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will all be in the description below. Save you some money, guys. Thank you.